Self-made shit, man. Gotta get that baby pretty. Young nigga had to do his car wash. It's Friday type shit. It's been a while since a young nigga Glow Scat got a little car wash by itself. You feel me? On dog. Yes, sir. So we get in the popping. Hand wash this baby, make it more sparkly. We got the car meet Saturday, tomorrow. Feel me? I should be dropping this all in one. Should be dropping that car shit probably Sunday. Or that Saturday night. We gonna see what's up though, but other than that, this shit looking crispy clean though. Always keep your toys clean, man. It's not even a toy, nigga. This is a human to me. You mean? They got problems just like us, nigga. We have to fix them. Once we fix them, nigga, they get back on track and they get it moving. Feel me? And they come out a stronger person. Feel me? Never stop, nigga. Grind, nigga. On dog. Fuck what they talking about. Get your shit on. For real. Get your shit on. Back with it, nigga. I'm back with it. Yes, sir. Already got a match with it. Niggas really outside, gain them. Yes, sir, nigga. Nah, this is my first time. We got the motherfucking gainer, man. Alright, nigga, don't hit me, nigga. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Fuck that, nigga. But we outside, though, man. Sound like a villain. Nah, I'm full of you, nigga. We outside, though. Nigga, cut that shit the fuck out. Going right this nigga. Look at the whoppers. Whoppers, straight toppers. Gang shit outside, man. Outside, man. Really in the trenches, man. You feel me? Niggas is cutting up. Yes, sir. Who's this? Alright, it's your boy Glow Scat 617. We here and shit, nigga. The real hood scat, you know the vibes. We outside today. Today's a good, glorious day. You know the fucking vibes and shit. Fuck. We coming out with some fire shit today. See what's going on. Got bro on the back. We all here. Sis right here. So we chilling. We about to cut the fuck up. Waiting for our boys to slide through and see what's going on. Slight shit. Yeah. Look at your twin, nigga. Look at some swipe shit. But, yeah, a lot of people know what's going on. It's big ass truck in the way and shit. Yeah, we about to get busy. We'll see what's going on. Cut up a little bit. See what's going on and shit. Get back to y'all when we stop rolling. Just one more time. My shit stopped, nigga. So, nigga, I ain't letting nobody know. When that shit come on stock, let niggas know. I'ma talk my shit for real, you feel me? Yo, we chillin', man. You know, I'm just saying. The Stadies is here. Right here, just wanna fuck with niggas, man. Everybody just chillin'. Just chillin', man. You feel me? This breeze. The hood scats outside. He just checking to see what the fuck going on. This shit. Big body, man. We got a big body, all black, man. Get 392, man. You see what the fuck going on, man. You see it, man. Scat seats, everything. You see it. Then we got the slim body scatty. You know, that's the hood scat. Always shout out to the hood, nigga. Feel me? See me? Then we got the We got the crazy RT nigga right here. Shit go blink, blink, shit go blink, blink, shit. Slide, swipe it. Come around on it. Boom, long body with it. But he said he's like 20 minutes out. That shit again, nigga. Thought that shit again, nigga. I told you, bro, that shit. Bro, nah. You can still line up with him. It's just the noise, nigga. But he might have a booster shit. Nah, bro, nigga, that's an old school nigga though. But he probably ain't gonna go fast though. I told the nigga. Hey, nigga, I like this content, nigga. Let me get some content. Let me hear that shit again, nigga. You say you want to line up, bro? I don't know, nigga, bro. Just because we got the fast shit, them niggas be having some smoke shit. What he want? He said lining up with him? Oh, he crazy, nigga. Go next to the nigga, bro. This nigga here, bro. That shit is tough, nigga. I'm telling you, nigga. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. I want to retry it, nigga, though. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. This thing got that smoke too. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, nigga. That shit. They're trying to line up. This nigga talk to the nigga. That shit nice, nigga. Like this right here. Came out with a boy. Oh. I know the copyright. Yeah, he should have slid through. I know. Yes, sir. We outside with it. Good content, man. I tell you what we do, man. Cut shit up. We really outside in the fucking trenches, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We on the highway and shit. Trying to see what the fuck going on. Nah, we thumbing. Nah, you good. Yes, sir. Talk that shit, my boy. Let me say some shit. Let me see some shit, man. It don't even matter. Ooh, we got shit over there too. We really outside, man. Don't be mad at all the cars is outside, nigga. We almost maxed out. We almost maxed. Yes, sir. Talk that shit. Catch his ass. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got niggas outside. Niggas is rolling with niggas, man. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We really out fucking trenches, man. We really outside. Yeah, I told y'all, bring the whole fucking city out, man. We got niggas just joining in the group, man. We really does this, man. Yo, the nigga was following us, bro. I was about to stop him, like, yo, just slide through, because he had his hazards on, too. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gotta get that content, man. These niggas be. Gotta see what's the word, man. Nah, I was on the same shit too. I gotta record and shit, man. You know how that go. Yes, sir. They about to call the laws. You know, that's why I need somebody to record for me. I would have cut the fuck up and shit. And shit, yeah. Nah, I tell you, they crazy as shit, nigga. They crazy as shit. Nah, fuck them niggas. They don't give a fuck.
I'm almost backed. Mind you, I'm going 70. Yeah. Yo, you laughing. I'm like, yo, we gotta up together. Them niggas holding down the phone. I'm like, I'm trying to catch up.
Nah, cause you was catching homie. I already knew what you was doing.
Yeah, I smoked.
Yeah, I already knew what you was doing.
Got you almost back. I was like,
Yes, sir.
Like, yo,
We outside,
yo,
nigga.
I cut through a truck. You saw me cut through that truck, man?
Nah, yeah, I seen that shit. I already know what you was doing, so I was like, yeah, this nigga gonna do that.
Good, cause I saw you slip. I saw you slip.
No, I did that on purpose.
Oh, hey, yo.
I did that on purpose.
Yes, sir, nigga. Outside with it. Hood scatty, man. You know the fucking vibe. Stay tuned, nigga. Yeah, I got you.
Man, fuck you.
But I'm taking the whole plate though, nigga. Nigga got. For the.
I'm just playing here. Grab one.
I was ready.
Yes, sir. 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 Know how to get my baby. Guess out here recording and shit, man. Oh yeah, I'm all set, nigga. Fuck that. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm trying to get this caution. Oh, shit, I went the wrong way. No, I didn't. Yo, I had to record and shit, nigga. Cause I'm like, damn, I need to get some content. Talk your shit, nigga. Talk your shit, nigga.